it is really easy to have a really big code base, especially if you're working on a project that have at least like 5 to 10 features. It is really easy to get lost by a lot of files, a lot of service, a lot of interfaces, etc. So this is the moment where understanding your text editor or sometimes even your IDE truly helps. So for example, in here I have VS Code. So if I want to access a file and I already know the file, like if we have a naming convention, I can just, in Windows, I can just hold Ctrl+P, and then I can just type chat, for example, and then I can see every instance that is related to chat. So this is really helpful if you have a good naming convention in your team, and it is not really going to be all helpful if you have bad naming conventions like we have in this one, because I'm showing a project that is where we are kind of newbies in a sense. And also, you can also in VS Code, I'm not really sure if it is also in other editors, you can do Control-Tab to navigate between tabs. So you're really proficient with this tabbing mechanism, or if you understand what is in this tabs, then you can just do Control-Tab. So as much as possible, the most efficient way most of the time is to not use the mouse. So every moment that you have that where you are not interacting with a mouse is much more faster, because in a mouse you have to navigate to the top, but in keyboard commands you can just do Control-Tab. So I guess the essence of this video is that always understand your visual text editor or your IDE, especially with this in terms of commands, especially with the shortcut keys, because it will really help in the long run. That's pretty much it. Thank you.